Today we're going to take a walking tour of the battlefield at Gettysburg, Pennsylvania, about an hour south of my house there in Harrisburg. So we're going to do a little photo tour here, show you some pictures I shot of some reenactments I photographed through the years, and let's take a little photo tour of Gettysburg. I'm standing here right where the Union line would have been during Pickett's charge. But right here, 15,000 men came across, Confederate soldiers came across this field. They say it's about 3/4 of a mile long. Came across this field, and 2 o'clock, July 3rd, 1863. Over 7,000 of them were either killed or injured. 7,000. A lot of history here. I overheard the park ranger say that this marker out here in the field, the brown one, is the high water mark where the Confederates advanced to. That was the furthest they got. They actually breached the walls here of the Union Army and held this ground for a short period of time. Then they were driven back. The Battle of Gettysburg was a 3-day battle, and this was the end of it right here at Pickett's charge. They were supposed to leave the lines here early that morning, but they weren't able to get assembled till 1, 2 o'clock in the afternoon on July 3rd. It was hot, it was muggy, there was no wind, and these men were dressed in wool outfits. It was miserable. They started across this 3/4 of a mile charge across here for Pickett's charge. Started climbing this tower, and it's a lot of steps. Look at my 360 view here. This is just incredible. The beauty of Pennsylvania's rolling hills. This is the Pennsylvania Monument here behind me, and I was talking to a gentleman down here. He's from the South. He asked me where I was from. I said I'm from Pennsylvania. I said, but my mother's from Atlanta, Georgia, so I've got a unique perspective here, having a mother from the South, deep South, and my father being from the Pennsylvania coal regions here. So my only take on the whole Civil War is I just wish that the North and South could have found a better way to solve their differences. A lot of people died here, and I think that's unfortunate. If it's been a blessing to you, if this video has helped you in any way, please hit the subscribe button. That's in a way how you say thank you. So God bless. Talk to you later.